Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be diving into something that you can save your hours of development. So let's try to see how we can configure our bashrc file or the zshrc file to make your terminal work for you. So whether you are a backend developer, DevOps engineer or just someone who loves the command line, so this video will show you how to streamline your workflow with a clean and organized shell configuration. Let's get started. One by one we'll try to do it. So if you are like me, you would be probably wasting time typing repeated commands or searching for the right syntax. So I used to do that too until I learned how to customize my bash rc file, so by adding aliases, functions and environment variables and all those things, so you can make your terminal faster, cleaner and neat, that for your needs. Trust me, this is a game changer for productivity, and don't worry, we will keep it simple and organized. So what I was trying to do it is, whenever you are trying to type the command or something like that, so we will be doing some repetitive tasks, right? Whenever you want to log into your report server or something like that, so you will be doing the repetitive thing. So let's try to do how we can customize our bash file and also the zshrc file. I will try to show you the thing. So fine, first thing first, so let's open our shell configuration file. If you are using the bash or something like that, you can open your bash rc file. So here I will try to customize both the bash file and also the zshrc file, so that you'll be able to see. If you are in a Mac means you can open your zshrc file. If you are in Linux means so bash file you can open it. So here how you can open it, you can open with the Visual Studio Code Editor. So you can go to our terminal. So this is our terminal, right? So here in your home directory, so you will be having that bash rc file and also the zshrc file. So you can open whichever is the default shell for you. So you can open. So before you make your changes, if you want to create a backup means you can create a backup by using the copy command. So you can use this, what I mean to say is, so you can do with the bash file. So you can copy this dot bash rc file with dot bash rc dot backup. So you can copy that one and you can do it like this. So if you want to maintain the backup, so tomorrow if anything corrupted means, so you can replace that one. So fine, that is the backup thing. So why? Because this ensures that you can revert if something goes wrong. So safety first, right? So that's why. Fine. My bash rc file let me try to open this my bash rc file. So now let me try to do this all the things, and you able to see here we are having this zshrc file also. So here you'll be able to see that this one is the node versions. So if you want to so we can keep it like this. At the top we'll add those things. So fine, let's try to do this one. So let's divide our config file into three sections. One is for environment variables. Okay, let's try to keep it so like this. You can do it, and here I can do environment variables, and I can keep it like this, and here I can do the hash, and the same thing I can do. I can go back to the thing and I can do the hash here. Fine. And I can do another one, that is nothing but here aliases. I can keep the aliases, and here also I can keep it like this, and here hash, and here hash. So just I was trying to show you so how we can keep segregated. So however it is feasible for you, you can keep it. And the last one is functions. So I can keep it like this, functions, and also I can keep this one also hash, and here also hash. I will go to the end of this one, and I can keep this hash. So that's it. So these are the things which will be having environment variables, aliases and functions and other apps. So if you are having another apps means, so here down goes all the things as other apps. So here you can keep something like this. So just however you want, you can keep it. Just I was trying to do, let's try to keep it here also, other apps, and here I can keep it like this here. So this is the thing. I can keep it, and here I can keep it something like this. So just I was trying to design it. So that's it. So this is our other apps. So it comes the other apps. So now here these are the things which we will be trying to do. So fine. These comments make the file easy to read and maintain. Fine. First of all, customizing your prompt. How you can customize your prompt? Let's make your terminal prompt look nice and useful. The prompt is controlled by the PS1 variable in bash or percentage and percentage C in G shell. So here is a simple example to show your username and all those things. So here what I will be trying to do is I will copy this one in our G shell and also I will paste it here in our bash shell also. So here we will be having both the things here. So first of all, let's try to do this one. So for the bash, how you will be trying to do it is, let's try to check it with the PS1 is equal to, so here PS1 means it indicates the prompt. So here I can write something like /u mentions the username if you are logged in, and here /w mentions the last working directory, and here you can give the dollar so that the dollar symbol will be visible. So that's it. So this is the first one. So for the G shell, the same thing if you want to do it means, so here you can do PS1 is equal to, so here I can keep the percentage, so here it will be having the percentage n, and here you can keep the percentage C, and here last one will be the /$. That's it. So now we have mentioned the thing. Let's go to our terminal and let's see this one. So here we are having the G shell. So let's try to clear it off, and I will be having this one. So that is nothing but this one is the bash. I will try to open the bash. So here this is the bash. You will be able to see that lila colon like this and dollar we are having. And in the same thing, if you want to check the G shell here also, so let's try to check the G shell, clear it off, and here you can do the whatever says, so G shell. So if I'll push it, so here you'll be able to see lila colon like this. So /$ you are able to see. So this is the how we have customized it. Okay, and let's go to our G shell. So here I didn't give the space, so that's why it is not coming. So let's go to our terminal, and here if I exit here, so here this is the minimac, right? So if I try to open again the G shell, so now here you'll be having the space. So lila and the thing and the /$ you'll be able to have it. So this is how. So now here what you are trying to do, let's go to our bash file here. Yeah, here the /u or the percentage n represents your username, and /w or percentage C will represent shows the current directory base name, replacing your home directory with the tilde. Let's add some color to make it pop up. So we will add some color also. So for this one, what I will be trying to do it is, so I will copy and paste it so that we can have a clear understanding. For bash thing, what I will be trying to do it is, I will add the color prompt here. I am pasting it for the time being. So here this is the color prompt. So here I am adding some color with a bracket, and here /u, and also here I am color, I like doing like this. So in the G shell, if you want to do it means, so here you need to it's a little bit different. So here in the G shell, I will paste it here like this. That's it. So now this is the thing. Now let's try to open the terminal and see how it will look like. So let's try to clear it off, and here I will try to log in G shell. So here you'll be able to see green color and also the blue color. And here in the bash, if you try to open the bash again, so here you'll be able to see the green color and also the blue color. So it is something looking like an interactive. So fine. So now this gives you a green username and a blue directory and a clean look. I will link resources. So these are all the things I will try to provide you in the YouTube in the description below, so that you can able to understand it. So the next one comes is the aliases. So aliases are the shortcuts for commands. Okay. So we'll try to do it in our next video about this aliases thing, so that you can able to understand. So this is the thing, prompting and all those things. So we'll try to see the aliases and functions and all those things in the next video. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.